Hey, sweeties, we've got a Shaq-tacular new contestant in the air fryer game. That's right, it's the SHAQ Air Fryer. Let's see if Shaq will dunk on the competition or will it get sidelined. But first, please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell. And now, let's get in the game. We are cooking with Shaq. Well, not with Shaq, but we got his air fryer, the SHAQ Air Fryer. It's a big one. Look at this monster. We're going to make Shaq A Roni pizzas in the SHAQ Air Fryer. Let's measure this bad boy up. Let's see, get out the old measuring tape. Okay. It comes in at just about 14.5 inches high and just about 17 inches wide with this. It's got a little knob on the back to hold the cord in place out of the way. The handle, it's got Shaq's name on the top. And it looks, pretty much like your standard air fryer. It's got the drawer style here. And then it's got a little protective cover so you don't accidentally press the button to remove the fry basket. And it's a 6-quart capacity fry basket made out of aluminum, and it's got a non-stick coating. The heating element, can you see that there? I'll bring it to you. See the heating element up there? So pretty standard. Let's plug it in and light it up. I got the stainless steel model, but it also comes in black. You can press the power button and adjust the temperature up or down. It goes as high as 400 degrees. And it beeps every time. It beeps every time. And as low as 180 degrees. You can set the time down or up with this plus or minus. The different modes there: shrimp, bake, chicken, steak, fish. And it's got a little rotating fan to let you know it's working. It came with a recipe book, an owner's manual, and a quick start guide. Let's get started with our Shaq A Roni pizza. We are going to use naan as our pizza dough. These are delicious. I love making pizza with these. We're going to spritz it with a little oil, rub a clove of garlic on it. Then we're going to toast it up because we want it to be crispy on both sides. And top it with some marinara. This is my favorite brand of spaghetti sauce, Mazzetta, pepperoni, and shredded mozzarella cheese. Let's get started. Now, I made these for dinner last night, and I just put it straight into the air fryer. I actually preheated the air fryer for a little bit, but it didn't get crispy on the bottom. Let me crack this garlic clove. The naan didn't get crispy on the bottom, so I was very disappointed with that. Even though I preheated the air fryer for a bit. The first time I made it, I preheated the air fryer so it get the air circulating nice and hot all the way around. We're just gonna spritz it with a little bit of oil, not too much. And then I put my naan in there, but the bottom part did not get crispy. And then we're gonna just rub it with this garlic clove that I just smashed a little bit, just to get that garlic flavor. This makes a big difference. Like it gets that garlic flavor all up and through. Rub that garlic clove around on both sides. Be careful not to tear the naan. Or you can smash up a garlic clove and, put it in some oil and then just brush the oil over the top. You don't really need much oil. You just need a teeny spritz. I'm going to go ahead and set this air fryer to 400 degrees. And we're going to start it. Let's do 5 minutes. And then you press the power button again. And we're going to let that preheat. And what I do like about this is that it's not very loud. Let's put my mic close to it. See, the air fryer is not very loud at all. So that is a plus for the SHAQ Air Fryer, because I know some of these air fryers are very loud. But the SHAQ Air Fryer is pretty quiet. That was impressive. I am disappointed that it didn't come with any divider racks. I know like the New Wave Brio, which is also another large, I believe 6-quart air fryer, comes with a divider rack in case you want to be able to stand things up in there. Like if you're doing air fried ribs, I have a good recipe for air fryer ribs that I did in the Power Air Fryer. I'll put a link to that up there. And that one also came with a dividing rack to help stand those racks of ribs up, or if you're trying to cook two separate things, keep them separate in there. So I wish it did come with a little more, like just a dividing rack. So we'll let that preheat and then we'll pop our naan in. So I let that preheat and now we are going to reset it for 400 degrees and I'm going to set it for 10 minutes. We're going to let it toast. I'm going to put that naan in there. You can see there, I'm just going to drop the naan in and let that side. You can hear the sizzle a bit. Oh, why did it stop? All right, I'm going to set it for 10 minutes and then we'll start it. And I'm going to let this toast on that side for about 4 minutes, just so that bottom, it's the top now. We'll put that part on the bottom. It'll get nice and toasty. And then we'll top our pizza and put it back in. Our pizza, our naan, has been toasting for about 4 minutes. Let me show you what that looks like. It's got nice and golden brown. And this was the side that was up facing the fan. This is the side that was down towards the bottom. So see, it's still very soft. So we'll have a crispy, this will be the bottom of our pizza and this will be the top. We'll have a crispy crust on our pizza. We'll just top it with a little bit of our store-bought sauce. Put it on the edge. Sprinkle on our shredded mozzarella. And I'm going to do a light coating, a light topping of mozzarella for now. And then put those pepperonis. And with the Shaq A Roni pizza, he said that pepperoni is all the way to the edge. So we got to make sure we cover it with pepperoni. Now the thing about the air fryer is that it blows, that hot air blows around and it blows the pepperoni around the pizza. So we're gonna go over with a little more cheese and hope that can weigh those pepperoni down a bit so they don't blow all over the place. That's one little trick to help keep your toppings, your pepperoni from blowing all over. A little cheese on top will weigh it down. Let's get it back into the SHAQ Air Fryer. Look at that, that's pretty. Now we'll just have to ease it back gently into that pan. Now remember, it's hot, so you don't want to touch those sides. And then we'll let it finish cooking. We're going to check on it. It might not need all 6 minutes because we just want that cheese to get melty, the sauce to get warm. So we'll check on it in probably about 3 minutes. While that's cooking, let's go over some more of the details. We've got the 6-quart SHAQ Air Fryer, and it is 1700 watts and 120 volts. Give you an idea of what we're working with. Let's check on that pizza, see what it looks. Oh, that's done. That is done. Can you see that there? Wow. Let's get it out of there. One thing I did want to say about the SHAQ Air Fryer is that the outside does get hot, especially up here. So that's something to take note of. The outside of it does get pretty hot. We can shut that down. Look at that, our Shaq A Roni pizza. The bottom crust is nice and brown because we preheated our air fryer and then we toasted it first. Would you grab me a knife, please? You can see the pepperoni did kind of move around a little bit, curled up, but that's okay. It is still all the way to the edge. That's a small knife. Look at this knife you gave me. What is that gonna cut? What am I gonna do with that? That idea. There we go. Now that's a knife. Let's cut a piece. That's what we're talking about. Nice crispy crust. Let's take a bite. That's good. Look at the crust. It's so nice and crispy. Remember, we brushed it with a little bit of, sprayed it with a little bit of oil, rub that garlic clove on it. You can brush it with some garlic flavored oil if you want. We let that toast up so we get a nice crispy crust. That's delicious. Shaq A Roni pizza. Homemade. Cooking with Shaq. In the SHAQ Air Fryer.
Shaq-alicious.
So did Shaq hit all the shots with this new air fryer, or does he foul out of the game? Let's talk about the shots that he hit. Well, it is large, one of the larger capacity air fryers at 6 quarts, and it's very quiet. But the fouls is it gets hot here on the outside and the top, a little hotter than I think it should get. You got to watch out for that. And at this price point, at about $95, it doesn't come with any accessories, no divider or anything like that in the air fryer basket. Is that enough to foul out of the game? With so many air fryers on the market, I think it fouls out. Too many turnovers for it to be a winner. So that is my opinion of this SHAQ Air Fryer. Shaq, let me know if you want me to coach you so you can step it up with the SHAQ Air Fryer too. I think we could do it. Hit me up, Shaq, and let me know. Subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that notification bell. Give me that thumbs up, and y'all have a Shaq-tacular day.